To remove screen lock type, it doesn't matter the type of screen lock you have on your phone. Swipe upwards, tap on the settings, scroll down, tap on lock screen and AOD. You'll see up here, tap on screen lock and biometrics. Enter your PIN. Now over here you do have two options. The other one is swipe, which is no security, and the other option is none. You can decide to tap on any of these two. If you tap on none, it doesn't matter what type of lock or security you have, everything goes off. It wipes off all the security that you have on your phone. You can see here I have two types of security. I have that one, which is PIN, and then I have fingerprint. Now if I tap on none, everything goes off, but I'm not gonna tap, just showing you how you can take off all the security on your phone. Or you can tap on the swipe, which is this one, and then everything goes off and you just swipe to open your phone. If you like this video, give me a thumbs up. I'll see you in the next video.